Catch me or I go Houdini. Catch me or I go.
So good evening, Team Tansa Specialist Medical Center. Tonight is truly meaningful. This is our very first year-end party as part of the Metro Pacific family.
So in this first few weeks, much of my time has been devoted to addressing urgent matters and establishing policies that will help strengthen the hospital foundation.
So as we gather tonight, one thing is very clear. The true strength of PSMC has always been you, its people.
So this is important meant to support you to create clearer systems, a more stable workplace, and an environment where you can focus on what you do best, serving our patients with care, respect, and compassion.
Kalingang PSMC. It's a kind of care that goes beyond policies, beyond procedures, beyond titles. It is care that comes from the heart. Ito ang malasakit na ramdam ng bawat pasyente.
Doktor ka man, janitor ka man, security guard ka man, nurse ka man, accounting officer ka man, isa lang ang ating North Star. This is our patient. So it's very important that we continue to focus why we are here.
Tonight, I want to thank each one of you, our doctors, nurses, clinical teams, support staff, and leaders. Maraming salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, tibay at dedikasyon. You showed up even during uncertainty.
So we are celebrating the TSMC Year 5 Christmas party here at Tanza Convention Center. Can you please make some noise?
So as we move forward, there is one thing we will always protect and preserve. Our Kalingang PSMC. Hindi lang ito basta tagline ha. Ito ang ating pinagkakakilanlan at pangako sa bawat pasyente at sa bawat isa sa atin.